Hi guys, it's Tammy, and I have another purchase here from Love Knitting, and it's almost embarrassing to tell you guys that I had no idea to expect this one. I told you yesterday when I did that one, and I don't know when I posted that one, but that I didn't expect that one. So I really thought I was done, and here, lo and behold, I have some more that was delivered just today. So it's almost embarrassing, but it's not, because I'm super excited about it. Now, I think I ordered a scrubber something, and I don't see that in here, but I see some, oh, maybe this is it. Oh, okay, good. So I do remember ordering some of this. Whew, that's crazy. And there's a box too, and then they also sent me another candy. I'll just throw that with the rest, and honestly, I'll probably throw those away. I think I will just do that now, because I don't even need the temptation, but there's 3 of them from each of my hauls. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. I see some really beautiful stuff in here. Oh, guys, I'm going to check my account on I Love Knitting and make sure this is it, because like I said, this is almost embarrassing. I'm like, oh my goodness. And it looks like one of my cats was up here or something, because there's a mess of stuff. Goodness, get that all straightened up. Okay. So first thing I see are these really odd balls of, looks like wool, but I don't know if it is or not. This is Debbie Bliss, Conway Bliss. It's 44% wool, 44% acrylic, and 12% polyamide. And so this is a strand. Oh, it's cooler than I thought. I thought it was going to be like this was a strand, but this is a strand. And it's kind of weird against my hands. Now, my hands are really dry, but I did just put lotion on not too long ago. But it feels kind of weird against my hands. But it is a pretty color, and it's kind of neat. So I'm kind of excited to see what I can make with it. I mean, doesn't it look like that just sticks together? But it doesn't. That's good. That's good. It's all different. Okay, it's working. So that's pretty cool. And I got 2 of those. And I don't know if there's a color on here or not. It might be the color Electra, or it says color 57002. But yeah, so that's that. And then I also got this fashion summer print. And look how weird that is. It's almost like a shoestring. It is like a shoestring. I mean, if I were just to see this somewhere, I would think it was definitely a shoestring. So that is weird. It's cotton, and I have no idea what I'm going to do with this. And same with this little guy. He's cute. He's got purple and neon green. I remember getting this one now because I remember trying to figure out what color to use, because they were all very neon-y, and I'm not huge on neon-y, so I tried to pick the one that I thought was the least obnoxious to me. And I knew it wasn't beautiful. I mean, I knew it wasn't something that I really, really loved, but I thought it was a neat yarn, and I thought maybe I could do something cool with it. So I don't know what yet, but it's still pretty cool. And then this one I really love, and I wish I had gotten more than just one, because this is not going to be very much. And this is a size, oh no, it's not. I don't know what size it is. These are all in, like, from France or international, and it's hard to tell. So I don't know. There's probably not a ton on here to do anything huge, but it's a really pretty color, and maybe I could add it to something else. And then I have this one, which is really pretty and really soft. I mean, it's as soft as it looks. It feels like a cloud. And this is 87 yards of this, and look how thin it is. Oh my goodness, and it's stretchy. Oh my goodness, that's crazy. And it looks like it's in the color Celadon. That is so weird. It's like got elastic in it or something. So how cool is that? Huh, interesting. So there's that. And then I'm even more more interested in this next bag. And I do like the bags they give you. I could use those to put a gift in, like a finished project. Well, I say that, and now I can't get the... Oh, this one has a knot in it. Huh, that's funny. None of the others had a knot in them. There we go. So it looks like I got a couple more of those little baby ones. Rico Baby, Cotton Soft, and it is like baker's twine, but it is really soft. It's like a dark gray. I didn't know if there was a color on it. I don't see a color. But I got 2 of those. And then I got this one, and this is Scrubby material. It's called Wash Knit, and you can make a wash mitt or a pan scrubber, and it's like scrubby, so that's pretty cool. And I remember they had, and this is in the shade Splash, they had lots of different colors, and I don't know, I thought I'd pick something that I wouldn't normally pick, but I like the color. Like, I don't think that I'd wear this really, but I thought that it would be cool to make something with it. So that's kind of cool. I'm kind of excited about that. I want to try this out. I mean, it would definitely exfoliate and be nice to wash with. It feels good. It's not too scratchy or anything. So that's pretty neat. Oh, and then I have another one of those, which is in white. I remember now. I saw these. They were little baby shoes, and it just took one skein to do the little pair of baby shoes. It was nothing too exciting, but I thought, ooh, I could make a couple pairs of baby shoes. And I have a blue one and a white one, and I don't even know anybody. I know somebody that's pregnant, but I don't know. I just thought this was really fun yarn, and since it only took one skein, I thought that that might be something good to practice on. And then, oh my goodness, this yarn makes me happy. This is so cool. I love it, all the different textures, all the different colors. This is definitely my favorite, which is, I guess, why I got 2. This is called Bamboozle Yarn, and this is in the color Lagoon, and it is just so cool. I don't even know if it tells you a size because there's so many different. There's approximately 153 yards, but like some of it's this thick and then some of it's this thick. And, you know, it's just all different intertwined in there. And it's so, so pretty. I love all these colors. And this is a hank, so you have to unwind this and do a ball. And look at that. It's just like something is messed up, but it's really not messed up. I mean, it's just, I just love stuff like that. So pretty. And then I got another skein of rainbow, which is super pretty, and it is very rainbow. Very nice. And then this one is gorgeous. It looks like the ocean, and it's in the color Topaz. So I don't know exactly what I'm doing with all of these, but oh my word, they are divine. I love them. Oh, those make my heart skip a beat. And then I'm not sure what I got in here. I'm not even sure how to open it. Oh, here. Oh, yeah. I forgot that I ordered that. So this is a DIY kit, and you can make this cute little giraffe. Isn't he cute? And it comes with what you need to make it. Oh, it's got tape on it. Oh no, do you have to crochet this? It has a crochet hook. That's how dumb I am. I didn't even know. Oh, these are all different languages, I guess. Or maybe not. I don't know. is there, why are there 3 of these? Oh, I'm never going to be able to do this. That's hilarious. Round 39. Okay, so this is English. And it's definitely crocheting. And you work in a spiral and crochet 4 feet, make 2 chains, work 5 DC in the second chain from the hook. I have no idea what these are, so I'm not sure how to do any of this. But it just keeps on going and going and going. That's hilarious. So, I mean, it's cute. Are these like all different languages or what? Yes. Okay, that's what I was confused about for a minute. I'll just toss it because I don't know. And then it comes with this, which is definitely like thread. It gives you a whole bunch of it, and I guess you use it for the process. And then the crochet needle. So yeah, this is gonna go in my stash of, maybe I'll learn how to do it one day, but right now I have no idea. It's cute. Maybe when I have a grandbaby. There might be something else in here because it has a, oh, there is. There's black thread, I guess, for the eyes. That's pretty funny. And this is in the color Spring. There were several colors to choose from, but I liked this guy for whatever reason. So I'm going to put him back in there. And then I will put this back in here. Funny. Okay, so there's that. And then I also got this little baby in the round. This is interesting. It is the circular needle with 7 advantages. This is a 3 centimeter. I don't know. It doesn't even tell me. I don't know why I got this. I'm assuming that maybe there was a project that I was looking at that said it needed this. So luckily I saved my projects in my, there's a way to save them on the website at Love Knitting. So luckily I did that. So I will know what projects I had in mind for these things and whatever this was recommended to use. This is really nice though. And the needles are really small, but I could see how this would make something really cute. And it could have been that I thought maybe you could use the knitting needles on this. I don't know. I'm sure that there had to be a reason that I purchased this. Crazy Tammy. But they are really cute. And I like them, but not as much as I like these. These make my heart sing. All right, and this does too. He's really cute. So thanks for watching, guys. And yeah, check out Love Knitting. You'll probably find some things that you might like. Bye-bye.